I want to share with you the remarkable power of observation. I went to a continuing legal education seminar the other day, and I wore a Winnie the Pooh tie, and not one single attorney noticed it. But I guarantee you, if I wore that into trial, every single person on that jury would notice it. You want to know why I share this with you? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. The power of observation is critical. When we are at trial, we have 6 people sitting in judgment of your particular matter. They are ultimately going to decide whether you are entitled to a verdict in your favor as a result of the carelessness of someone else. So now, one of the things that the jury does is they pay rapt and close attention to everything that goes on in the courtroom. They pay attention to who's in the courtroom. They pay attention to what the witnesses are wearing. They pay attention to every single thing that happens. And believe it or not, you may think that they don't notice anything, but I guarantee you, their whole job is to sit and observe. They are sitting in judgment and listening. They're observing. They're listening to testimony. They're looking at exhibits. They're looking at evidence. They're listening to the judge. They're listening to the attorneys ask questions. Their goal is to listen and observe. And I guarantee you, if I wore a Winnie the Pooh tie, they would notice it. They wouldn't be allowed to tell me about it or talk about it to us as the attorneys, but I guarantee you they will notice it. They might say something to their fellow jurors, but it's something that they will observe. Now, why is that important? It's important because every little thing counts in the courtroom. And if you think it doesn't, I'm telling you from experience that's 100% incorrect. Everything that goes on in the courtroom is observed by the jury. And there are plenty of stories, anecdotal stories, that people in a courtroom can tell you, whether it's the clerk, whether it's the court reporter, whether it's the judge, or someone who's been in a courtroom, they will know. And if you're doing something you shouldn't be doing, the jury will recognize it. So, why do I share this quick tidbit of information with you? I share it with you because I was at this seminar just the other day, and I decided to see who's going to notice this. Not one single attorney noticed that I was wearing this outrageous Winnie the Pooh tie that my kids had gotten me for Father's Day. And I thought it was fantastic. And I just wanted to try this little experiment to see if they noticed it. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.